Experiencing GPU issues on your HP Victus laptop? Let's walk through some key steps to get you back on track. First, check if your device recognizes the GPU. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters and see if your GPU is listed without any warning signs. If there's a yellow triangle, it might be a driver or hardware issue. Next, update your graphics drivers. In Device Manager, right-click on the GPU, select Update Driver, and choose to search automatically. For a manual update, head to the GPU manufacturer's website, download the latest drivers, and install them. If the issue persists, use Display Driver Uninstaller to clean up old drivers before reinstalling. Don't forget to check Windows Update. Go to Settings, Update and Security and check for pending updates. Sometimes outdated OS components can cause GPU problems. For dual GPU systems, set your GPU preferences. Right-click on the desktop, select Display Settings, then Graphics Settings. Add the application you're running and set it to use the high-performance GPU. Run built-in diagnostics by restarting your laptop and pressing F2 to enter HP PC hardware diagnostics. Choose Component Tests and run the Graphics Test. This can identify any hardware issues. Check for overheating or dust accumulation. Ensure your laptop's cooling system is working properly. Clean the vents with compressed air and make sure the fans spin up during operation. Use the DirectX diagnostic tool by pressing Windows +R, typing DXDiag and pressing Enter. Verify the display devices and check for any errors. Adjust power settings in Control Panel, Power Options, and set the plan to high performance. This ensures the GPU is utilized correctly. If the GPU worked previously and recently stopped, perform a system restore. Go to Control Panel, Recovery, Open System. Restore and revert to a point when the GPU was functioning well. If all else fails, consider reinstalling Windows. Back up your data and perform a clean installation using a Windows installation USB. Finally, if the GPU remains unresponsive, seek professional assistance. Contact HP support or a local technician, especially if your laptop is under warranty. By methodically working through these steps, you should be able to identify and potentially resolve issues with your HP Victus laptop's GPU. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.